Glorious Oklahoma sunrise, painted fire on the open sky. Sweat still cooling on my shoulders. Morning time, now my spirit's light. Breathing my lungs, road in my feet. Every small mercy feels like a feast. God is great, amen. Every step he leads again. From the barbell to the back road bend. God is great, amen. God always provides what we need, my friend. God bless us on this glorious day. Amen. Boots tap dust off the gym.
Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Grunt Man. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. I'm just leaving the gym. So far the wind isn't blowing. It's only supposed to blow 30 to 35 today, so it's not going to be them hurricane force winds that we had yesterday. It was absolutely miserable. It's cold this morning. It's 20 degrees right now. I didn't get a chance to cover up any of my outdoor plants, so I don't know if they made it or not. The wind was blowing until after 10, and I had no way to... It just blew off again because the winds were just horrible. But it's all good. Nothing that I have to replant, I will. You know, it's not the end of the world. It could have been a lot worse. Definitely. There's a lot. People had it a lot worse off than I did. For sure. You guys out in Illinois and Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, all the way down to the Gulf states. I was watching Ryan Hall, y'all, last night. There were some vicious storms out there. We didn't have storms. We just had relentless winds. I mean, it never stopped. It just did not let up. I think that we had pretty much sustained winds of 50 and gusts over 70. I haven't heard the official report yet, but I just know it was nonstop. The wind never let up. There was never a break in anything. I'm just glad there was no huge fires. There was a fire down in a town on I-40 in Oklahoma where they evacuated the whole town. But I haven't heard any more on that. So hopefully everybody's doing well with everything. I mean, the weather, it was just, and it's still going on. I mean, pray for everybody out east. This storm was huge. Up north, they got snowstorm, blizzard. This pretty much covered from the Great Plains up all the way out to the East Coast. It's going to affect pretty much everybody, clear down to Georgia, even parts of northern Florida. So, yeah, I just pray that the storms, everybody survived. I mean, if your house is damaged, it's horrible, of course, but physical items can be rebuilt, but I just don't want people to lose their lives. And hopefully everybody took heed and warning and took this seriously. Because like I say, even the wind here was serious. I mean, the big question is did my greenhouse survive? And I'll tell you guys the answer to that after a while. I'm going to go home now and have my shake, get my day started. And yeah, we'll see what we can get you today, and we'll see if the greenhouse survived. And not supposed to warm up a whole lot today. It's only supposed to be in the upper 40s for highs, so there's not going to be a lot happening outdoors for sure. But anyway, I'm going to go in and have my shake, so we'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, hope you're having a wonderful Monday. Hope the storms are not affecting you guys really terrible. I know there's a lot of bad storms out there right now, and I'm just praying for everybody. Hope everybody's just getting through this the best that they can. I'm just outside here. As you guys know, we had some severe wind here yesterday, and a lot of you guys are wondering how my outdoor kitchen greenhouse survived. Well, the answer is it didn't. I mean, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I got a lot of work to do, don't get me wrong. But I think it is salvageable. I just got some work to do on it. I don't know how I'm all going to do it yet, but there could be worse things. Let's put it that way. So, yeah, I think Tristan's going to come over here after a while. I'm going to... Luckily, it don't look like the top got ripped up any. So, I just got to do some work on the frame. And, yeah, we'll get it all fixed up again. It's not the end of the world by any means. Yeah, it sucks. I'm not going to lie. But it's not the end of the world. This is minor to what a lot of people are going through. So, just wanted to share this with you. I want to get this top taken off and put away for right now. And I don't want to have it get damaged in any way. So, we'll probably pull this top off here today, and I'll fold it up and stick it away until I can get the frame rebuilt. Been thinking about a few ideas that I want to do to it. Not 100% sure how it's going to work yet, but we'll figure it out one way or the other. But yeah, just wanted to share this with you. Yeah, the outdoor kitchen took a lot of damage. I'm not gonna kid about it. It broke off every pipe in the top here, and that's what happened. That's what failed. The tops, the archway just give out. It couldn't, and it's just not designed for the winds that we had yesterday. Not the sustained winds. It just couldn't hold up to it. But anyway, yeah, the kitchen took a lot of damage, or the greenhouse. Luckily, I hauled all my plants into the house again before the wind came up. So we'll get this figured out, and it might not be perfect when it's done, but we'll get it together one way or the other. So just wanted to share that with you. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, Tristan and I are just out here working on the garden, and Tristan took over for tilling a little bit.
That's 3.
Yeah, and just work it back and forth.
Back to the first one again?
Yeah. Yeah, I already did this part right here. We got that tilled up, and we're doing another section here. We're just getting it started, breaking up the grass and stuff like that on it. Tristan said he would till a little bit and I could get a clip here. And I could get a break that way. That's not real hard work, but this harder ground is a little harder to till up. I mean, we'll have to go over it a few times, but we'll get it there eventually. This did the same over here, so. Hey everybody, hope you had a wonderful Monday. Just needed to finish up my video here. Got quite a bit done outside today. Had a really, really good workout this morning. Just need to get my video finished up here. It's already 5 o'clock. I haven't even started editing yet. So tomorrow you'll see a big transformation out in the backyard. I did put some lights up today on the fence, little post lights. But yeah, tomorrow I want to go out and really start getting stuff ready for the garden. I want to be planting Wednesday. I got tomatoes that I want to get in the ground on Wednesday. It's supposed to be really nice, at least for the next 14 days anyway. I'm just going to take a chance on the tomatoes and get them in the ground. I want to get them growing. And hopefully we're going to get some good tomatoes this year. Worked on the greenhouse a little bit. It's not going to be as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's just going to take me a little time to get it done because I want to concentrate on the garden right now and start planting tomatoes, and then I'll work it in between times. It's supposed to warm up tomorrow again. Today it only got to 46 for the high and the wind was chilly. I just got back in the house a little bit ago from putting them fence lights up, and it was chilly out there. I covered everything up tonight. I did get it covered. They got stunned a little bit, it looked like, but it looks like everything's going to make it through the frost last night because I didn't get it covered, and the wind was just blowing so hard I couldn't even get it covered. So yeah, hope everything makes it through. Looked like it got stunned a little bit, but they looked fairly good when I just covered them up now, so I let the sun shine on them as much as I could until now. When the sun's starting to go down, I decided to get them covered. So, but anyway, thank you guys for following along on my channel. I got quite a bit done today. Started hanging some of the stuff up that Bob sent me. I'll put that in tomorrow's video also. And yeah, it's just been a pretty good day altogether. So, yeah, I could have used a nap, but I did not take a nap today. Tristan come over and helped me for a little bit, and I want to thank him for that. Hope he found his keys. He couldn't find his car keys. He had to use his spare set. But I haven't heard from him since. So, but anyway, like I said, I want to thank you guys for following along with me. If you want to help my channel a little bit more, please subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the routine. Hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I post a video. I really would like my vlog videos to do better, but the shorts do good, the vlogs do average. The vlog videos is really where I could use the help, but Yeah, it is what it is. I'm still getting closer to 10,000. I'm well over 9,000. It's been slow the last few days of growing subscribers. I've gained a few here. I think YouTube is doing their thing again all of a sudden, because I gain a few and lose a few, gain a few and lose a few. So, yeah, it's just the way YouTube works. And, oh, excuse me. But anyway, yeah, you can support my channel in other ways by becoming a member. Just hit that join button down below. And I'll put my sponsorship of this video in the link below also. If you're looking for a good backpack, check out Waterfly. I'll put the link in there for you in the description. Check out their website. They got all different kinds of backpacks, water bottle carriers, you name it, they got it. If you like to hike or whatever. So yeah, please check that out. And I want to thank Waterfly again for sending me that fanny pack thing. It's really, really nice. Actually, Tristan is using it right now. So he uses it every day to carry his camera stuff around with him. So I'm happy that he gets to use it, because it is quality. But if you want to support my channel in other ways, the super thanks and super chats are always on. I know I'm going to be spending some money on my outdoor kitchen, and it'll all come in handy if you want to support my channel that way. Or you can check out my Amazon wish list or my Walmart wish list if you so desire to send a gift or whatever. And yeah, like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving toward your goals, one step at a time. Be nice, be kind, just be the most awesome, wonderful, and amazing person you can possibly be. Keep the Lord in your heart. Say a prayer for somebody who needs it. Help somebody if you can. And always remember to dream big. Keep your dreams alive. God bless you guys. I love each and every one of you. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.